The legal battle between Donald Trump and advice columnist E. Jean Carroll has reached another decisive moment. On Monday, a federal appeals court upheld the massive $83.3 million defamation award Carroll won against the former president earlier this year. The Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals firmly rejected Trump's arguments, including claims of presidential immunity and objections over how the trial was handled. This ruling comes after the court had already affirmed Carroll's earlier $5 million victory in her first trial, where Trump was found liable for sexually abusing her in the mid-1990s and defaming her when he denied her account. Trump is preparing to take that earlier case to the Supreme Court, but for now, the latest ruling secures another major win for Carroll. Trump's attorneys argued that the damages were excessive and that portions of his testimony should not have been struck from the record. However, the appeals panel concluded that the jury's decision was reasonable, citing what it described as extraordinary and egregious facts surrounding the case. The three-judge panel consisted of Judge Denny Chin, appointed by President Obama, and Judges Sarah Merriam and Maria Araujo Khan, both appointed by President Biden. In their unanimous decision, they stood by the jury's verdict and left Trump with little ground to challenge at this stage. Despite the legal setback, Trump's team remains defiant. In a statement, his spokesperson said that Americans are standing with Trump in record numbers and called the lawsuits part of a political weaponization of the justice system. They vowed that the former president would continue to fight what they described as liberal lawfare while maintaining his focus on his campaign to make America great again. Carroll's legal team, meanwhile, stated they are reviewing the opinion, signaling that they remain committed to upholding the decision. This ruling marks yet another critical chapter in a long-running and high-profile legal clash, one that could carry significant implications for both Trump's political and personal future. Before we wrap up, if you found this update helpful and want to stay informed about major political and legal developments, don't forget to subscribe to InsightPulse and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.